Hello everyone! In this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to stop the sync in OneDrive. So, let's dive right in. OneDrive is integrated into Windows as a cloud storage service, but if you prefer not to use it or want to switch to another service, you can disable it easily. Let's get started. Click the OneDrive icon in the taskbar, which looks like a white cloud. If it's not visible, click the small arrow next to the date and time to find it. Click the gear icon to open OneDrive settings. Under the Settings tab, you have two options. Select Pause Syncing and choose a duration, 2 hours, 8 hours, or 24 hours. This will stop OneDrive from syncing your files while keeping it running in the background. Select Quit OneDrive to completely shut down the application. A confirmation message will appear. Click Close OneDrive to confirm. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.